Hey guys, KFARR back again once again. So today, we are back in the 23rd District Court in Taylor, Michigan with Eric Martin. Eric Martin, spoiler alert, is going to fail. Again. But he does it with Judge Slavin, so we're going to watch it anyway. Enjoy the video.
People versus Martin, case 241388SM. Today's the date and time set for a settlement conference. Also, there was a motion by Mr. Martin, motion to dismiss the case. Court has read through the motion. There was no accompanying brief in support. Well, there's also objections to the denial of the personal bond. I'm going to consider that as a motion for reconsideration. All right, Mr. Martin, was there anything else you wanted to place on the record, sir?
Oh, yes. Well, first, I'm not the fraudulently assumed defendant. I am a living sovereign man.
I can see that you are a living man. You are currently talking, and we are having a conversation. So, okay.
Right, but John, under the law, there's fraudulent presumptions under Canon Law 3228 that, that say otherwise, and there's a lot of support what I'm saying. So that's why I say what I say to, for the record. But anyways, yes, I do have other things to say. First, I also want to file a demand to dismiss this case based on speedy trial violation under Michigan Court Rule 6.004C, 28 days for speedy trial in misdemeanor cases. I've been in jail over that since the 8th of last month, June. And also, we'll go ahead and do that. And I also want to say, I ask that you give me all the time to speak, say anything I want to say, instead of like shutting the court proceedings off that's happened before. Make sure I'm done with everything I have to say. But that's it for right now. But like I said, I might just say depending on what you say in response. So.
As we all know, the court has no responsibility to just let you go on spouting, pseudo law word salad until the end of time. We saw this with Darrell Brooks damn near every single time they showed it. Daily, he would go down this rabbit hole of sovereign citizen dumb shit, and the judge would just be like, mute, sorry, you're done. That's what happens here. Again, Judge Slavin seems to have learned from his time with Broken System, Broken Trust, because he's getting real snippy with Eric Martin, and the ending is the best part.
All right, well, your motion to dismiss is denied. Your motion for reconsideration with regard to personal bond is also denied. Are we setting this for a bench trial or a jury trial?
Before I ask that question, I have to respond now to your denial. Now, based on what reasons are those denied, I have things to say in response to that.
Well, sir, I'm not cutting you off, but there's nothing. It's my ruling. If you want to file a motion for reconsideration as to anything, you're more than welcome to follow the court rule and do so. But there's really nothing to add to my ruling. So
I'm just asking the reason. I'm not asking what are the reasons that the bond, for example, is denied. Okay, first of all, what reasons is it being denied?
I've already stated that last time, sir. So are we at the next question here is, do you want a bench trial or a jury trial?
Well, I have more to say in response to the
do you want a bench trial or a jury trial, sir? Stop avoiding the question.
I just want to take off a jury.
Jury trial. All right, we're going to set this for a jury trial.
But I want to make it clear, I'm not consenting to
given notice. You'll be given notice of when that will be, sir.
Okay, I'm not consenting to the jurisdiction of the court still, and
you are subject to the jurisdiction of this court. So you live in the state of Michigan, you live in the jurisdiction, and under the Michigan Constitution and the United States Constitution, this court does have jurisdiction over this case and over you as the alleged defendant. The warrant was signed with probable cause. The warrant had probable cause. The warrant was signed. That's all that's needed to bring a charge, and it's brought in the proper place, which is here because you live in Taylor, and this is Taylor, so this is where the case would be.
Gotcha, bitch.
So your motions were denied, and we're going to set this for a jury trial. We'll be giving you the date and time of when that jury trial will be. Let the deputy know that.
Well, that's what I mean. See, I'm not done yet. I have more to say.
If you've got more to say, take it up with your cellmate because you're not welcome here anymore. So I'll try to stay on top of this. I normally have a good grasp of when Eric Martin goes to court, when Broken System, Broken Trust goes to court, when other dipshit sovereign citizens go and see the judges at the 23rd District Court. That's kind of in my wheelhouse, but go thank Old Squishy Gardner for this one. Have a good rest of your day.